Cathie sat down with Bloomberg Business Week this past week, and in one segment she talked about Tesla. Now, Cathie Wood's new target for Tesla is $2,000 per share by 2027, while her bear case is $1,400. That would still be a more than 7x from current prices. She discusses her continued belief in Elon Musk's innovation capabilities, comparing him to Thomas Edison. Musk's focus on converging technologies such as autonomous vehicle, energy storage, and AI is seen by Wood as a key driver of super exponential growth.
Tesla will get the lion's share of that market here in the U.S., if not elsewhere. Autonomous taxi platforms are SaaS models. Tesla's current gross margin is, well, it's in the teens right now because it's been cutting prices, but we think normalized, the EV margin is in the 30% range. SaaS margins are in the 80% range. Most analysts focusing on the stock have nothing in their models, or very little, for autonomous. Our confidence that autonomous is going to happen has increased because it has happened. We see Waymo successful. We see a lot of success and commercial success, that is, in China. It can be done. We think Tesla will launch a national service. And Tesla, this is where AI comes in. Tesla has orders of magnitude more data than all of the other auto and tech companies going after this market combined. And what's important about that is that it has corner cases that nobody else has. Rare occurrences on the roads that it has recorded and it is prepared for it, but others aren't.
Cathie,
they just don't have.
I just want to jump in. It's kind of like a running joke with the Tesla community, because Elon Musk says every year we're going to have this autonomous driving technology, and every year since he started saying it, 2017, 2018, it has failed to materialize. Why are you so confident it's going to happen in the near future?
Well, because it has happened, as I just said, and so it's not if, it is when. That's the most important reason. Interestingly, in his last conference call, Tesla's last conference call, Elon said, yeah, I know I've been wrong about it, so I'm not even going to make a projection. I actually thought that was good, and maybe it has a better shot now. And we're looking at some of their hiring and their job postings and seeing rumblings in different cities that they're starting to get ready.
Hey, Cathie, something I know I brought up this with you before, but I think back to our you and my first interview back in May of 2014, so almost 10 years ago. But you brought up Elon Musk when he wasn't a household name or what his company was doing, and you likened him to Thomas Edison. And I guess what I want to ask you, you know this individual, you talk with him, you followed him obviously for a long time. Do you ever feel, do you feel that way still about him in terms of likening to someone like Thomas Edison? And how do you find clarity and feel comfort in some of the questionable and controversial things that Elon comments on or that he says?
Yes. Well, we're focused on the technology, and as is he. He is the inventor of our age, and this age is a very special age because the 5 major innovation platforms around which we have centered our research are converging, and 3 of them he is helping to converge. This autonomous taxi platform opportunity is the convergence of robotics. Autonomous vehicles are robots. Energy storage, they will be electric.
Right.
And artificial intelligence, where those are 3 separate S-curves feeding each other and should lead to super exponential growth. He has understood this idea that technologies are going to converge with one another. And that is the way he's been thinking. He's first principles research. Just because something's been done one way for a very long time, think autos, doesn't mean it's going to remain that way. And that's why he's going to win.
Do you ever feel, though, that he gets distracted or can be too much?
Yeah. He is so laser focused on technology, and he in the case of Tesla, the electric vehicle side, that is on automatic pilot. They are just scaling, and what he is doing is becoming, the manufacturer of factories. He's trying to figure out how to automate and continue to drive down the costs there. His focus is on autonomous now, certainly, and of course you can say on X he's distracted, but he's really more focused on the innovation. How can I go back to the future where I started, which was in the payments app space, sold to PayPal? How can I turn this into not only a payments app, but an everything app? And I think he's hard at work doing that in ways that we don't know yet.